In this chapter, we're still concerned with passing data or variables from one script to another, except we're going to merge the two scripts into a single script. The one-page model is a cleaner, more elegant solution than the two-page model, and the first step for complex processing of forms data. We'll create an HTML page comprising all the elements of the two-page model, with a logic structure to manage display and processing. We'll use the isSet function to test if a variable value is set. We'll create a simple single-value drop-down selection box and a key and value selection box. We'll start to appreciate the importance of normalization and build a functional CRM component. In our two-page model, if we were to go straight to output PHP without going first from input PHP, then the get function would be meaningless. Indeed, we probably should have put in some kind of trap to capture that situation. But just recapping, the header location command sends the query string var value with name var to output PHP, where it's captured by the get function. In the one-page model, single-page PHP, we start with trying to capture the value of var with the get function. But then we test if it's been set with if isSet var, and then if it is set, if isSet var is true, we process the value of variable var. Otherwise, else, we set the value and send it to the same script, single page PHP, query string var equals var value. So it goes back to single page.php. This time, var is captured with a value, and isSet proves to be true. Let's look at this in action with a variation of our company select script.